Crocodile tears.
I just found a job 5 days ago. Fucking stupid!
Resist madly and foolishly. Think you've seen it all? Prepare yourself for 4 unbelievable drunk driving stunts. Get ready to start the police.
Sit down. Sit down.
I just broke the door out of the car. Get out. Tell you to roll over on your side.
On February 17th, 2024, Eau Claire County police officers were monitoring traffic at a known drug motel in Eau Claire, Wisconsin, when they spotted a suspicious vehicle leaving the parking lot. The officers discovered that the woman had a suspended driver's license and had received a "be on the lookout" warning. Knowing she was going to jail, she escaped from her handcuffs in the patrol car and caused chaos.
Back in your car.
Quick trip on Otter Road, Adam Robert Zebra 5292. Good. 10-4, you can have a start over here. Michelle, you don't have a license.
How's that? I don't have a license.
It's suspended.
For what?
I haven't looked that far into it, so I don't know the reason.
Because, I mean, I
Look, you don't have a valid license. Stop arguing with me.
I didn't know that. I honestly
Okay,
didn't know
why are
that.
you being so argumentative?
Because I just got done with work. I was just trying. Apparently, I don't have a license. I don't f***ing know.
Is this your car?
Informed. Yes, this is my car.
Do you have insurance on it?
No.
Okay. What are you up to?
I just got done with work literally 6 minutes ago.
What do you do for work?
I work at a group home.
Okay. Are you coming from the group home?
Yes, I work out in. I was stopping to see if I could. What? Hello? I'm at Quick Trip. Yes. I didn't know didn't have a license. When was it suspended or whatever it is? Because
I can tell you that here in a minute once I go back to my
I haven't
car.
been pulled over or anything since I got out. Literally, I haven't had a ticket or nothing.
Okay. I'll tell you that once I go look. It doesn't tell me right away. I have to look.
Literally, I got done with work. I was going to stop and see what he was doing, and I'm going to my friend's house. I'm homeless.
Okay.
This is my home.
You live out of your car?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
I got clothes scattered all over Eau Claire between my kid's house and my friend's house. Dude, I finally found a job, but if I don't have a license, I don't have a job.
Okay. Just hang tight for me. I'll come back up here and chat with you, okay? Michelle, I'll have you jump out. I'll talk to you behind your car real quick. Is there anything illegal in your car that I need to know about?
I don't think so.
Okay, just keep your hand out of your pocket for
I
me.
smoke weed. I don't know. I might have a blunt or something in the car. I don't even know.
If you did have a blunt in your car, where would it be?
The woman tried to act innocent, explaining her situation despite the strong smell of marijuana coming from her car.
There is a blunt in there? Or?
I don't know if there's one in there or not. I don't remember if I took it out or not.
Hands out of your pockets.
I'm sorry, my cold.
Well, yeah, so am I. So you're suspended for child support. You must have not paid a child support, so they suspended
Dude,
you.
I haven't had a job. I literally just found a job 5 days ago.
Okay, hands out of your pockets. Stop digging in your pockets. Would you give us consent to search your car?
I can't tell you no.
Okay. Well, I'm just trying to see if you want to be cooperative with us or not.
I'm never not cooperative. I don't want to go to jail for f***ing weed. I have to work tomorrow. I just got this job.
Okay. All right, let's go to the front of this car.
It's been nice knowing you. I'll talk to you
Hands out of your pocket.
Lifetime, okay?
Police arrested and searched the car.
For what?
You keep putting your hands in your pockets after I've told you 16 times not to.
Freezing. I don't have a cold.
Crocodile tears.
That's got a polyester shirt.
I have been more than cooperative with you guys. Seriously.
Okay, this doesn't mean you're going to jail.
What else does it mean?
You're just being detained, okay? You're not free to go. Do you have anything on you that's going to stick,
No.
stab, poke us?
I just have my keys, a vape, I think.
Does your... Yeah, you do have pockets. Okay, can we get that door open, or...
I'd rather stand outside.
Well, we're going to sit you in the car because you're already complaining that it's cold out.
I don't care. You're not detaining me.
Okay,
You're not
listen,
arresting me, so I will
listen.
stand here.
You're being detained. You're going to sit in the car. That's not negotiable.
just wanted to go grab some clothes and go to bed. I've been up since 3 o'clock.
I'll talk to her real quick. So, Michelle, is it just with your record that you're having difficulty then?
Because of the shit my kids made up about me. Nobody will even read me a storage unit. My life sucks.
So, I have to talk to you about an incident that happened on the street on the 3rd over at your daughter's place. You remember that?
Yeah, I was whipping a Yui, trying to leave because I was about to like snap out on her friend and I hit a garbage can.
Well, I'm gonna go help that officer so that we can get out of here and you can get out of here sooner, okay,
You're
Michelle?
not gonna let me go. There's probably weed in the car. I smoke weed. My PO knows I smoke weed.
Well, let's
According
cross
to
that
everything
bridge.
else that I've ever done, dude.
Sure.
I went through the driver's side, but that's it. And this will get out of the car.
Make me!
Do you really want to go that route?
You guys are so f***ing dumbass motherfuckers!
She fiercely resisted the police, which cost her dearly.
Michelle, stop. Put your hands behind your back.
Let me go!
You want to just go to the ground?
Let go!
Let's back up here.
No. Put your hands behind your back. Stop.
I just want to f***ing go to bed! I wanted to go to bed! I wanted to go to bed!
Stop.
I'm so tired of being tired. I will break my wrist, I promise you.
Well, that's not a good idea. What purpose is that going to serve, Michelle?
The purpose me f***ing blowing my brains out will do too. I promise you, I lose my job soon. I'm gonna f***ing jump off the first bridge as soon as I f***ing walk out of there. There's nothing better to do with your time? Huh? You're nothing better to do, huh? You pieces of shit.
You want to just hand me the seatbelt?
Go f*** yourself. I don't need a goddamn seatbelt. No!
Very loud. We're good. I
Got it? Perfect.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Want to just go to the jail?
Yeah, I think that's probably going to be the best case scenario. She wants you to have her keys. So I'm going to give those with you, and then this was also on her. I'll just leave that here with you, okay? Her car doesn't have insurance, so it can't be on the road, but just to avoid any more of this.
I can't feel my fingers.
Tell you what, get it back there. I'm not going to look, okay? Give us like 2 minutes till at least we're not around, okay? All right, thank you.
After failing to play the victim, the woman continued to smash things in the police car.
Hey, it's Barrett the City. I don't know if Tennell called ahead, but we're en route. We'll be about 5 minutes out with an uncooperative female.
Michelle was eventually charged with misdemeanors, such as resisting an officer and possession of THC. She was also fined $400 for a traffic violation and released a few days later on $1,000 bail. Nearly 2 months later, she was convicted on both charges, and the court sentenced her to 10 days in jail, which could be served by completing 80 hours of community service. On August 10, 2022, Monroe County Sheriff's officers were told that Daisy Mendoza, a 22-year-old woman, had caused a disturbance and vandalized property in Wilton, Wisconsin. After a search, she was discovered strolling alongside the road. When she saw police approaching, she refused to comply and fled into the woods. Here's what occurred next.
You got that?
Damn it, 23, if you got a spit mask, bring that with.
Give me this leg.
You give up this hand though. Grab this. Tell him to bring a spit mask.
18 to 23.
Stop! Stop! Spit mask.
Yeah, we need a spit mask.
You're not gonna spit on us, alright? I'll stop as soon as you stop. Stop! Stop resisting right now! We need a spit mask! Knock it off!
Stop!
Keep it up! Give me your hand! I got one hand I'm trying to get out, and she's been trying to bite and then spit. Quit it! You need to stop. There's 3 of us here, you're not going anywhere. You're gonna make this worse. Quit pushing off of us.
What do you need?
Are you able to get that mask on?
Enough!
Trying to, but I'm trying to not let her bite me.
Despite the police's advice that resisting would not end well, the girl still went in the wrong direction.
Get this hand right here. I got this. Right here, other one.
Let it go a little bit. I got it. Let that one go.
I will as soon as you get this one.
Yeah!
Quit resisting us, and this wouldn't hurt. Daisy, what the hell are you trying to accomplish here? You're not going anywhere.
You.
Ooh.
It's gonna get better for you.
Did anybody tell
I got a
dispatch?
leg strap.
Until you calm
I
down.
have a leg strap. Calm
Yeah.
down, please. In the glove box, I believe.
In the glove box?
There's a leg strap.
What's that gonna look like?
It's not in the glove box. It's in the passenger door compartment.
Alright.
But it's just a strap wrapped up like this. It kind of looks like a tourniquet almost.
All right.
Just looking.
You. You're retarded. Retarded.
Daisy, why? Why? Stop.
11. I put you on an animal complaint.
Stop. Stop.
You show everybody.
Just
Beat
stop.
up your little sibling, you whore.
Relax. Once you relax, we continue on with what we're doing here.
Stop, Daisy. Stop.
You work out. Open that up. You might not be able to get it around. You might just have to rethread it.
I had this much energy.
Man, you,
Daisy.
you, you.
Damn it. She spit right through that mask.
Yeah, I think that.
I got another one in there.
Yeah, I saw that. You want me to run up and grab it? Alright.
Stop spitting, Daisy. God, this has got to be killing you. Stop. Stop. Just stop. Just calm down.
White, black, dude.
God, Daisy, for Christ's sake, stop. Well, I hope you don't. I don't want you to die.
11 to 10, do you need another car?
You bitch. Ah!
Stop.
There's 3 of us.
Stop. Stop. Stop resisting. Just stand, sit still.
You're retarded. You're gonna use it on Daisy.
Hey, here's the next thing that's going to happen, Daisy. I'm going to tase you. I'm going to tase you if you don't stop resisting. That's the next thing that's going to happen, Daisy. You're going to get tased.
You're so stupid.
You're going to get tased.
Daisy, we're trying to help you. We're setting you up so you can breathe
Calm
better.
down.
You. The f away from me. You fat cow.
Blade, come get
break.
Cows! Cows! F***ing cows!
Give him a break. Keep her head down. Adjust that mask a little tighter. It came off again.
Fuck.
This is actually thinner than the one you have.
I'm retarded.
I don't know if we're going to be able to get that or not. Daisy, just stop. For the love of God. What are you on? Just leave the white thing right over top.
The girl also cursed and used racist words towards the police officers. You're white?
We can carry her out.
It's gonna be tough. How do you want to try and do it?
One at each shoulder, one on the legs. Me and him can take the shoulders. Did you get bit or anything? That's from her?
Yeah, that's from her fingernails digging into me.
I know she tried biting me a couple times.
Yeah, you got blood there. Jesus. What the hell?
What's going on in Wilton?
I don't know. I can't tell if it's a full moon or what.
You're white.
Well, I can't help that, Daisy. I was born this way.
We're not out here because any race or color matter. Yeah. It's because you can't control your behavior.
You know, your parents called me and wanted to file charges against you for busting the TV and throwing stuff all over the house.
Yeah. Dude, f*** you! This shit's my shit! I don't give a fuck!
There's a hole in that, so that ain't gonna help. Can we get going with what we need to do here?
Are you tuckered out enough that we can get out of here?
I hate you. Shut the f***
You don't have to like us.
Stop f***ing talking to me, man. You f***ing retarded bitch! You stupid!
You got some pretty strong legs.
Retarded bitch!
Are you done? Stop it! Let's see if we can get her. We're just gonna have to do what we gotta do here. Oh, it's crazy.
You got 2.5.
Hey, what is she trying to accomplish here? Are you hurt at all? Never mind us, but are you hurt? Oh, she's biting my boot.
I'm tired.
So once we get her up there, that leg strap's gonna be thrown out the door.
Fuck off me!
Really? This is gonna hurt if you get. Do it. Quit fucking her.
Fucking dumb! Get the fuck off here!
Now you can stop anytime you want. You can stop this anytime you want.
Fucking do it. Alright, let's just shove her up there. Here. Watch this crick.
The police had to use every tool at their disposal to get this aggressive and stupid young girl into the police car.
Enough, Daisy.
Oh, you stupid! It's not even you! Help me!
Hold that ass.
Fucking stupid! Fucking retarded!
Resist madly and foolishly.
No, yeah. But that's gotta go.
Stupid.
I don't know. Let dispatch know we finally got out of the squad. Still actively resisting. And notified jail staff will be en route shortly.
18 in route.
Yeah. Hold on, hey.
We finally got her in the squad. She's continuously resisting. Advised jail that will be en route shortly.
However, she still did not stop resisting.
You stupid. Fuck off me. Fuck off me and shit. Retarded.
God damn it. Alright guys, I'm headed back to the office.
Alright. Oh, I thought we were gonna surprise you. That's enough.
Now she's spitting in the cab.
That's enough.
What a pig.
You're a pig.
Real ladylike.
You're a fucking fat ass cow. Nigga, fuck you. Fuck. Stupid, retarded, fat, fucking white, fucking cat.
Continuously bangs head on police car.
Shut up! Yep. I'm fucking talking to you.
Tight, bucket.
No, she's got it in her mouth.
Don't get your fingers wet.
Oh, I know. Let go! Hey, let go! Enough! Get the fuck off me already, you fucking stupid. Not until you stop resisting. Hey? Stop it. You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. Off me! Fucking retard. Hey, please stop. You're fucking stupid! Oh, nice. Oh, you're so stupid. You already put it there fucking million times. Stupid.
Daisy. Knock it off. You're gonna cut your head. Supposed to let them know. Hopefully they bring a couple people. Well, hopefully she's tired herself out. But she's still kicking around a little bit. But having the extra spit hoods.
Do we have spit?
And the extra spit hoods.
Oh, man.
She's been biting a hole in the one that we put on her. So. Yeah, she's spitting all over, spitting our faces, spitting the squad, spitting. Oh. She's biting, fucking scratching, everything. So yeah, she's probably pretty tired. I know we're tired. Just that little scrapper. But I guess her kid was taken away about a week ago. Social service took her kid away, and that's why she's all upset to begin with. So. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Daisy, you want to sit up so we can get you out of the car?
Daisy was charged with felony counts of assaulting a police officer 3 times, pouring bodily fluids on a police officer 3 times, and bail jumping, and misdemeanor counts of resisting an officer, disorderly conduct 2 times, and bail jumping. She was released on $5,000 bail. On July 18, 2022, a Volusia County Sheriff's officer in Florida responded to a burglary report. When he arrived, he saw the woman coming out of her driveway and stopped her car. During the argument, The woman grew belligerent and attempted to drive away before the officer went inside to switch off the automobile. Here's the body camera footage that shows the lady forcefully resisting and hitting the officer.
Hey, stop the car. Stop! You stay here? No. What are you doing here? No. Why does it matter? Turn the car off. Turn the car off now. Turn the car off now. Turn the car off. Turn the car off now. Turn the car off.
Hey, watch what you doing, because I'll punch you in your... Don't ever forget that. I'll punch you
Send
in
me
your
a second,
home.
unit.
Let me go.
Hey.
Let me
explain to you what we're doing.
Put your hands on me, and I don't
am responding.
I don't give a...
I'm responding to an alarm call.
Put your hands on me, and I didn't turn up on you.
Turn around.
Watch your... Oh, my mama.
Nobody's under...
Stop touching me.
Turn around. Ma'am, turn around.
Stop
You're not
touching
under,
me.
You're not under
I don't
arrest.
care. You came in this hostile.
Listen.
Don't you ever put your hands on me. I'll spit on you. Stop.
Under arrest.
Stop. Don't pull my hair. What the fuck with you?
Get down.
Hey, chill, bro. Chill, bro. Babe, stop.
40 cents for having to step it up. Get down now. Get down now. Turn around and put your hands behind your back. Get down.
I don't care.
Get down.
What the?
Get down.
Move in the car. Move it. Stop pushing me to the ground. Move. Okay, babe, just chill.
Put your hands behind your back.
Move.
Turn your hand behind your back.
Move. Babe, just chill, babe. Oh, my soul. This you like because I would have took off your mama. Hey, you crazy?
If you don't stop, what's going to happen?
Babe, just chill. Oh, God, just chill, babe. Just chill, babe. Don't.
Put your other hand back.
Disabled. I can do it myself. Babe, just come on, bro. You're taking my shit.
Then roll over.
Babe, just calm down. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. You know how to is, baby. Come on, bro. Put your hammer back in.
Stop.
Come on, hurry. Put it on, bro.
Tell her to quit moving.
Let him do it.
If you don't stop moving,
Bro, hurry the fuck, bro.
stop.
Come on, bro.
I'm trying not to you.
The woman accused the police of being violent towards her, constantly cursing and using violence to resist.
I'm trying not to hurt you.
Bro, come on.
Turn around. Sit down. Sit down. I said sit down. Sit down.
I am. Get out my
All
face.
right?
Do not.
What do you need her for? What are you fucking with her for now? What's wrong with it now, bro?
Stop.
Stop touching me.
Just calm down.
Stop touching me before I bite you. Stop touching me. I said stop touching me.
40 cents. Is anyone else coming?
He has my arm twisted in his handcuffs, and I swear to God, if I get out of this, I swear to God,
you cannot do
I'll beat the white out this mama.
Just chill, bro. Just chill, bro.
Bro, fix this off now. Fix
No.
it.
Relax.
Hey, babe, just chill.
Twisted.
You're going to chill out.
Stop talking to me and fix the cup. Fix the cup. You just ripped the wig off of your kids' dog. No. You just twisted.
Hey, come on, chill. Bubble
Stop
right
touching me.
Stand up.
Bubble.
Fix my wrist in this cup. Fix my.
You're going to wait.
I'm mad.
Okay? This didn't have to be
Stop
like that.
touching me. It did, because you were aggressive for no reason.
All right?
Before that, the police also filmed her accelerating to escape.
Oh my soul. It's breaking. What the?
Come on, bro.
It's not breaking.
Fix it, bro.
If I said it hurt, and I will spit on you. Fix my wrist. What the? Fix it, bro.
What are you doing?
Stop touching me.
Stop pulling
Stop
away.
touching me. My wrist hurt.
Turn
I'm
around.
gonna pull away. What the?
Bro, you doing too much, bro.
You touch me, I'm gonna kick your.
Doing too
Don't
much.
touch me. What's wrong with you? You see you got me. The I'll kick this whole car on my mama.
Listen.
Move! Don't bro. She can talk to me. You can't say to me.
Check her
You
cuffs.
can't say to me. Fix my cuffs.
I will if you would just a second, okay?
Fix my cuffs.
Turn around.
I asked way too many.
I will, so just turn
Fix
around and
my
relax for a second.
cuffs. Fix my cuffs.
What are you guys doing?
No, what the you doing?
Okay.
Don't touch me.
So much,
You
bro.
see you got me.
Talk to me, bro.
I'll kick this whole car on my mama. Move!
She can talk to me. You can't say to me.
Check her
You
cuffs.
can't say to me. Fix my cuffs.
I will if you would just for a second, okay?
Fix my cuffs.
Turn around and I will
asked
fix them.
way too many.
Okay, I will, so just turn around and relax for a second.
Fix my cuffs.
What are you doing?
No, what the you doing? I gotta do your job. Stop pressing on me because I'm not resisting.
Okay.
My wrist already.
Okay, I'm trying to put on new ones, so relax.
Go people. Go.
I'm gonna get these.
Bro,
Hold on.
I'm finna lose my.
Okay. So I get these off really quick.
Why are you taking so long? Why the?
Well, you keep freaking moving around, so.
You talking about? Fix
Okay.
this off my wrist now.
Relax for a second, okay? Yep.
Oh my God, I swear, bro. God, bro. Let me fix my wrist, bro, because that's hurt.
Okay.
And your officer's gonna lose his job.
Okay.
No, it's not okay. What the?
Those are good.
Get up, bro. Don't push me. Don't push me, because I'll knock your out. Don't push me.
Listen, is it your
Get
left
up
or your right?
Stop.
Daddy on the phone.
Okay, stop.
You're hurting my wrist.
Well,
bro.
you keep moving, so stop.
Oh my God.
Chill out, stop.
Left first.
I didn't kick you.
Yes, you
Hey,
just did.
Hey,
I'm over
listen
my
up.
Okay,
Is that
stop.
your left?
Get her quick, and I'm gonna search her real quick and get her out of my car.
All right.
I don't know why she in handcuffs. He just came. Bro.
Switch off me, switch off me.
Bro, oh my God. I swear to God. If I.
Okay, get her in my car.
Bro, my mama.
Just open the door.
Bro, my wrist still hurts.
Right there, right
What are you talking about?
Is
Okay.
it left or right?
Okay, just put her in my. I don't care. Open my door.
You don't care. My wrist
Put her
hurts.
in my car now.
Don't push me because I can get in myself.
Okay, then get in.
The arrest report states that the woman is facing charges of assaulting the officer, kicking him, and hitting him in the head with a closed fist multiple times. The woman is charged with assaulting a law enforcement officer. On July 20th, 2023, in Mon County, Illinois, a routine traffic stop escalated when officers encountered teenagers challenging their authority. The incident began when officers stopped a car because of its windows. The driver, defiantly, questioned the reason for the stop and refused to roll down her window. Officers asked for identification and to comply with seatbelt laws, but the teenagers responded with resistance and accusations of police misconduct.
I'm pressing the button. You can see. What am I getting pulled over for?
Your window tint. You
I
have
was
your
just
license and
parked.
insurance. It doesn't matter. You entered here from the roadway.
Well, I have to find my first.
What's going on, man?
Nothing's going on. What is y'all picking for?
License and insurance.
Okay, give me a second.
The windows. Oh, that one goes down.
Insurance.
License.
Okay, I have a license.
The little girl sought to see the sergeant, believing she would be supported despite her wrongdoing. And this was the result.
Drive up here.
When? Because I just was sitting there.
Yeah, I know. I was pulled in behind you.
No, you wasn't. Because I was in the drive-thru,
Okay,
and then I parked for a second, and then y'all came.
Hey, I'm not gonna have the argument with you.
Police brutality.
It's not police brutality.
I don't have an ID. Down. What's your name? For what reason?
You don't have your seatbelt on. Do you not have a license?
Call a sergeant now.
Okay.
Sergeant now.
What is your name?
Call a sergeant now.
Are you the registered owner?
Yes.
Okay.
You can see that when you're in the plate.
Okay.
I can order you out of the vehicle anytime on a lawful traffic stop. Pennsylvania versus Mims, U.S. Supreme Court. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
I need you out of the car.
You don't get to demand when we do things. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
Step out of the car, man.
The U.S. Supreme Court says you do. The U.S. Supreme Court says you do. Pennsylvania versus Mims. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle. The car. Get out of the car. We're gonna break this window if you don't open the door. You're touching me.
Don't reach.
Ow, that is, ow, ow, you have a button, Tim, on. Ow, 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 ow.
Hey,
ow,
watch his hands. I'm gonna break the window.
And I'm gonna break your bro, this is not fair.
Tell him come down. Open the door. You're gonna break the window if you don't open the window.
Yes, they're trying to break my stuff.
Hey, he hit me in my face. He just hit me in my face.
He's hitting us.
There's no reason for me to get out of the car. Yeah, no seatbelt on. Get out of the car.
You guys have body cams on, bro.
Yep.
It's on video.
Yep.
Right, it's on video. There's no reason for this.
This vehicle was on the roadway. This was a lawful traffic stop.
But we watched you on the roadway. We just broke the door. Get out of the car. Get out. What the fuck? Out.
Turn around.
For what?
On your stomach.
For what? For what? Stop. Get on your face. What are you doing?
Ow, you stupid! You don't hit me in my face! I'm pressing charges!
Do whatever you want when we're done.
Give me my phone, please!
The young man sitting in the passenger seat still believed he was right and tried to call for help to see the manager.
Roll over on your side so you can breathe. Roll over on your side.
I don't want to roll over on my side. I'm on my back.
I'm telling you to roll over on your side.
Get a good pat down. Make sure
I don't have anything on me.
That's fine. I gotta double check. What's your name?
Come on, dude. You have a body right. Yeah. You just pulled my out, bro. Here.
Meanwhile, the young girl kept screaming and lying so that her father would protect her.
I got him.
I'm not going nowhere.
I don't know.
Hey, can you call a sergeant? Can you call a sergeant?
We'll be going to jail. You can talk to him there.
Why, for what?
For resisting arrest.
Resisting arrest? Why was I under arrest?
Because you're obstructing.
How?
Because you wouldn't get out of the car and you didn't have a seatbelt on. You wouldn't identify yourself.
You told me to roll down the window. I rolled down the window. Then y'all started reaching in.
We told you to get
Can you call a sergeant now?
Not happening.
Lies about the police not asking her to get out of the car.
Dad, I was parked by the white Ford Fusion. I pulled out and they pulled me over. I wasn't even on the road.
We weren't.
They're lying. You go to McDonald's cameras. They're lying. They're lying.
They did pull in here. They were going to leave. We decided to make a traffic stop. She stops right here.
No, he's lying, Dad. Do not believe
It's all on camera.
I'll stick him in your car for the time being.
Ma'am, can you run inside and get a manager and ask them for the camera footage, please?
We got really good cameras, buddy.
So you saw us go around. There's a witness. I need her statement. Y'all done spotted me down. I don't know how many times, bro.
Well, I don't
need a...
You do need a seatbelt. You didn't have your seatbelt on in the car, so we're going to put it on in this car.
Ask him to identify himself, ask him to get out of the car. He refuses, tries to roll the windows up.
But
I can't argue that.
People out. I mean,
well, no, I asked him to get out of the car for several minutes before it escalates to that.
He never asked me to get out the car.
Like I said, we all have cameras on.
I understand.
It is what it is.
Go get McDonald's videos
what's the deal with her?
She escalated.
Well,
he broke my door.
Right.
Y'all are paying for that.
Hey, bud, stop.
No,
Stop.
I'm pissed.
Can I get a sergeant?
Like I said, you can talk to him when you get to the jail.
What am I going to jail for?
Resisting, obstructing.
How did I resist? I rolled down the window.
When the police say identify yourself,
I do not have to. By
Yes,
Illinois
you
State
do.
Constitution.
Yes, you do.
By the federal Constitution. I do not have to identify. Yes, I do not have to disclose any information to you.
When you're breaking the law, you
We didn't break the law. We
You
just
didn't have a seatbelt on.
I didn't get a second to even move, bro. Can you listen to this? This is too tight.
It's not too tight.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is, bro. It's literally choking me. What? I have heart problems.
It's not.
Seatbelt.
You talking? You've got 8 inches in
tight as
between.
hell.
You got 8 inches in between the back of you.
I can't. I got
and the
cuffs
front.
on, dude. How do you expect me to sit back and I got cuffs on?
Mercy.
So what's happening with her?
Well, the male for sure, but I believe so. The other two detectives were dealing with her, but I'm assuming when they asked her to get out of the car, she resisted, obstructed. So we're going to go down to the law enforcement center and sort it all out.
Thank you.
Is what we're going to do.
Yep. Hey, we're going to get your feet underneath them. You ready?
You ready?
1, 2, 3.
Yep. You gonna pull her over there, Rose?
Yep.
I didn't even do it.
Stay right there. Are you on any kind of medication or drugs or anything?
No, I'm pregnant.
You know how easy this could be if you just would have unlocked the door?
I did.
And did exactly what they told you to do?
pulled me over for no reason. I just pulled out
See
the
those
parking
tinted
lot.
windows? They're entirely too dark to be driving with.
Can you please get the hair out my face? It's all in my
I'm not going to do that because you just spit all over your hair.
And I just saw my hair, dude. I'm getting a lawsuit out of y'all. I hate all of you. I hope all of you die.
You're not on any kind of medication or drugs or anything?
No, does it look like It really does look like it.
You need to calm down.
Can you get the hair out my face, please?
Okay, but you need to calm down. Yelling at him ain't gonna get you. You need to calm down.
All right, let's go over this way. I appreciate you, sir.
I'll come get you, but you gotta just chill out.
I'll just have her.
Ultimately, the two teenagers, Cadence and Octavius, were charged with resisting arrest and obstruction of justice. How are you feeling about today's situation? Please kindly share your thoughts with us so that we may all further assess them.
Fucking stupid.
Resist madly and foolishly.